Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! So, what would you like for Christmas?
A beautiful 3-bedroom townhouse with 2,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor living.
Anything else?
Can it please have a mountain view?
Wishes and dreams can come true. Welcome to the private gated community of Golden Ridge.
There are 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with well over 1,500 square feet inside. This also includes a 2-car garage with a 3rd outdoor parking spot for guests. The floors, baseboards, paint, and even windows are new. The neighbors are warm and welcoming, and everything is close by. You are just minutes away from groceries, banking, doctors, a pharmacy, the famous Fort Langley, a rec center, the Fraser River, a gym, and local schools.
I'm Jessi Johnson with EXP, and don't miss this chance to surprise your loved ones with the perfect Christmas gift. Good, now I gotta remember my line. And don't miss this chance to surprise your family and loved ones. I said that wrong. Let's do that again, okay.